For this project, you're going to need a drill bit, a file, an X-Acto knife, some tweezers, and some magnets. You're also going to need some super glue, a magnet cylinder, which I'll explain later, and a model to work with. The first thing we're going to do is cut off the little nub that sticks out of the bottom of the armament. I like to make a cut down the middle. It just makes cutting off the nub a bit easier. I normally do not cut towards my fingers. The only reason I am doing this is for the sake of the camera angle. Go ahead and file off the remainder of the plastic to make it nice and flush. Now we're going to make a small pilot hole with the X-Acto knife. This just helps guide the drill bit. I use a 1/16 drill bit instead of buying a GW drill. The magnets are rare earth magnets. They are 1/16 by 1/32. They're very small, but they're great to work with. Now this is the magnet cylinder. And the only difference between this and a regular magnet is it has a little dimple on one side to distinguish the polarity. It's very handy because you can determine the polarity of your magnets that you're going to place. I also like to use it to put my magnets into the actual model. And what I'm doing here is testing the size. I know it fits perfectly when the magnet cylinder lies flush against the model. Looks like we have a fit. Perfect. So what I do is I actually use the magnet cylinder, put my magnet on top of it, throw a little super glue on it. And you just place it in. And give it a couple seconds to let the super glue dry, and you can just pull it right off. There we go. If you have a little super glue left on your magnet, just scrape it off. It's metal. It comes right off. It's not a problem. Alright, what I did here is I put 2 magnets for the weapons because they can be a little heavier and they tend to fall. And on the top hard points I put 1 magnet. And our dry piece now will snap right to it. Tau battle suits do make it a little easier because they have the slots already. But if you don't have a slot to put the magnet in, just go ahead and do the exact same thing you did for the weapon to the part of the armor or body of the model. I also make sure all the polarities are the same on all my battle suits so I can swap all the weapons around. Thank you for watching this tutorial.